Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll go through the pathological conditions of musculoskeletal system, which will be very helpful for clearing interviews, CPC exam and for the medical coders. Ewing sarcoma, malignant bone tumor, exostosis, bony growth arising from the surface of bone, fracture, sudden breaking of a bone, and the fractures are normally three types. Those are closed, open and pathological. Now we'll understand what is the definition of these fractures. Closed fracture means that a bone is broken but there is no open wound in the skin. Open fracture means a bone is broken with an open wound in the skin. Pathological fracture is caused by disease of bone or change in the tissue surrounding of the bone which makes it weak. Osteogenic sarcoma, malignant tumor arising from bone. Osteomalacia, softening of bone with inadequate amounts of mineral, that is calcium, in the bone. So whenever the calcium will be lower in bone, the osteomalacia condition occurs. Osteomyelitis, inflammation of the bone and bone marrow. Osteoporosis, decrease in bone density which causes thinning and weakening of the bone. Talipes, clubfoot, a congenital deformity of the bones of the foot. Arthritis, inflammation of joints. Gouty arthritis, inflammation of joints caused by excessive uric acid in the body. Osteoarthritis, progressive degenerative joint disease characterized by loss of articular cartilage and hypertrophy of bone at articular surfaces. Bunion, abnormal swelling of the joint between the big toe and the first metatarsal bone. Rheumatoid arthritis, a chronic disease in which joints become inflamed and painful. It is believed to be caused by an immune reaction against joint tissues. Carpal tunnel syndrome, in short it is also known as CTS. Compression of the median nerve as it passes between the ligament and the bones and tendons of the wrist. Dislocation, displacement of a bone from its joint. Systemic lupus erythematosus, a chronic inflammatory disease involving joints, skin, kidneys, nervous system, heart and lungs. Ganglion, a cystic mass arising from a tendon in the wrist. Herniation of an intervertebral disc. Abnormal protrusion of a cartilaginous intervertebral pair into the neural canal and spinal nerves. Lyme disease, a recurrent disorder marked by severe arthritis, myalgia, neurologic and cardiac symptoms. Sprain, trauma to a joint with pain, swelling and injury to ligaments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and to turn on the notification bell for upcoming videos.